Okay, question 9. So the curve C has parametric equation x equal to t squared plus 6t minus 16. So it's a quadratic. And the other one, y equal to 6 ln t plus 3, where t is more than -3. Show that a Cartesian equation for C is y equal to a ln x plus b, and x is more than -b, where a and b are integers to be found. Okay, so for this one, yeah, just try to find the Cartesian equation. That's all. So since we already have y equal to 6 ln t plus 3, so it's definitely we need to make t as subject in the x equation and then substitute into the y equation. So let's do that first. So for part A, if x equal to t squared plus 6t minus 16, so this is a quadratic. So for quadratic, if you want to make t as a subject, you always decompose the square first. So if we decompose the square, that would be t plus 3 squared minus 9 minus 16. So then x equal to t plus 3 squared minus 25. So that means x plus 25 equal to t plus 3 squared. So we already see t plus 3 in the y equation. So y equal to 6 ln t plus 3. So we don't need to square root it, because we can bring the coefficient as a power of a logarithm. So we can write 6 into 3 times 2 ln 6 plus t plus 3. Then y is equal to 3 times y, bring the coefficient as a power. That would be 3 lots of t plus 3 squared. And then we already know t plus 3 squared equal to x plus 25. Then that would be 3 times by ln x plus 25. So that would be the equation. And in this case, a is equal to 3 and then b is equal to 25. So this x minus -b just means you can't lend a negative value. So that's why x plus 25 has to be more than 0. So x has to be more than -25. And then part B. So the curve C cuts the y-axis at point P, show that the equation of the tangent to C at P can be written in the form ax plus by equal to c ln 5, where a, b, c are integers to be found. Okay, so let's find point P first. So for point P, because curve C cuts the y-axis at point P, so point P is the y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, you always let x equal to 0. Yeah, if you want to find the x-intercept, you do the opposite, you let y equal to 0. So in this case, if we want to let x equal to 0, so t squared plus 6t minus 16 equal to 0. So it's a quadratic. We can just put in the calculator straight away. 1, 6, -16. So t is equal to either 2 or t is equal to -8. And we already know t has to be more than -3. So this is not valid. So the only value we can use is just t equal to 2. And then now we know when t equal to 2, that will give us the point P. And then we already know the x is equal to 0. So we don't need to substitute the x equation again. We just have to substitute into the y equation, which is obvious. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So just 6 ln 5. So therefore, point P is just 0 and then 6 ln 5. And then since we're looking for the equation of the tangent, yeah, so tangent, we need to do the differentiation now. So dy over dx is just equal to dy over dt divided by dx over dt. So dy over dt, 6 is the coefficient, doesn't change, and ln t plus 3 is just 1 over t plus 3. And then since it's a linear expression, and then the coefficient of t is 1, so we don't need to do anything extra, because times 1 is the same. And then for dx over dt, that's just 2t plus 6. We don't really need to simplify anything. We can just plug the values in and then simplify. So if t equal to 2, so then dy over dx when t equal to 2 is just equal to 6 times by 1 over 2 plus 3 is 5. And over 2 times 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10. So put that in the calculator and simplify. So 6 times by 1/5 and then divide by 10 is just 3/25. So that would be the gradient. And we want to find the equation of the tangent. So that's just y equal to 3/25x and then plus c. And we already know p is the y-intercept. So c has to be 6 and then 5. And then we want to write in that form where a, b, c are integers. So times by the denominator for both sides. 25y equal to 3x plus 6 times 25, it should be 150. So 150 ln 5. So put in the same order, minus 3x on both sides, so minus 3x plus 25y equal to 150 ln 5. And that'll be their final answer.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can leave some comment. And then if you find the video helpful, please like it and subscribe it. May the A star be with you.